when President Rodrigo Duterte's meeting with his political party, PDP-Laban, was aired on TV.
We have collected and filed these manifestos of support from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao by PDP-Laban members and non-members who wanted to express their unity and full support in your steadfast leadership.
House Deputy Minority Leader and Bayan Muna Representative Carlos Isagani Zarate questioned why PTV-4, RTVM, and other government resources were utilized. Zarate noted that the 2-hour meeting was held seemingly to convince Duterte to run for vice president. Malacanang defended the airing, saying the event was newsworthy. So are government offices allowed to use public resources for partisan activities? According to presidential spokesperson Harry Roque,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.